Hi guys, this is Michumi once again. Tara,
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
nood tayo ng nood tayo ng aking
5
laro.
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops
Gamit ko
deployed.
pala dito ang aking malaastig na atlas guys.
Request backup.
Bago ko lang din tong natutunan. Pero nilalaro ko minsan kapag ban yung bulilit kong Angela as a tank support. Pakitaan natin sila ng galawang
Request backup.
pang masculine. Ha 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 ha. Ow.
Initiate.
Anyway guys, please follow me guys. Follow back guys. 1 subs is enough. Thank you guys. We will see kung paano ko gagawing
Request backup.
imposible na maging posible. Hirap to guys, pero you will see kung paano gawin natin guys. Yung feeling na parang talo na guys, pero as long as may tank, go go go.
Request backup.
Bilisan natin guys.
First blood. Gather up the turtle.
Kalipad.
Request backup.
Oh.
The turtle. You have been slain.
Sobrang hirap na to guys, pero okay lang. Ganun talaga.
An enemy has been slain.
Balagbagan talaga sa low rank guys. Magaling yung parsa nila in fairness ha.
I can't see through the ocean or your desire.
Launch attack.
Makain pala ako guys.
Initiate retreat.
Midnight snack guys.
Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Hirap talaga nito guys, promise.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been. An enemy has been slain. Attack the Lord. Launch control. A killing spree. Ult is not ready.
Tides rise, tides fall.
Launch attack.
Bilis! Bagal ng core namin eh. Yun.
Attack.
Yun na. Ano yun? Nawala. Patay. Spice pa. Kulit ng parsa. Magaling siya, magaling.
Request backup.
Pero papatayin kita mamaya. Mahuli lang kita. Kahit magaling ka, pag nahuli kita. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, parsa.
Launch attack. Ult is not ready. Request backup. An enemy has been slain.
Susuntukin kita sa malaki kong baraso.
You destroyed a turret. Ally has
Kita mo yung baraso ko? Malaki. Huh. Pag ikaw nakitaan yan, parsa, aw.
Ult is not ready.
Lamog talaga yung mukha mo, parsa. Aw, parang patay ko yata. Aray.
An enemy has been slain.
Akala mo, uli ako ah. Hindi, oy. Tara, tara, tara. Si Parsa, si Parsa, si Parsa, si Parsa.
An ally
Parsa,
has
si Parsa.
slain the turtle.
Yung sa baba. Naku, Diyos ko, Lord. Yung baba. Nasa na yung MM na wala.
Ally has been
Patay ako, patay ako. Ang bagal ang MM, gagi. Nasaan ka mulo? Ay, ambot.
an enemy has been slain.
Hirap talaga eh.
Slain.
Yung bang busy-busyhan, baka pa-farm yung MM.
Resting at the bottom of the sea.
Yung linya namin wala na. Namumula na.
Ally has been slain.
Uy, kita kita, oy.
Turret has been destroyed.
Bagal talaga ng MM, tingnan mo. Layo.
Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has superb AoE.
Kaswerte ng MM. Ako mag-MM. Wala talagang ako. Ano?
Shut down. Double kill.
Lagi akong walang ano. Yeng.
Destroyed a turret.
Patay yata ako dito. Bagal talaga. Patay.
Brilliant tanking.
Brilliant tanking na. Oo, ano ka? Papakano ka na naman. Wag kasi. Wag kasi. Malaki baraso ko eh. Susuntukin talaga kita. Talagang wala na namang nakatingin sa akin, no?
Brilliant tanking. Superb damage. Team destroyed a turret.
Ambot.
Your team destroyed a turret. Godlike.
Patay na naman ako, guys. Bahala na.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Regret fills the face of
Mamaya ka lang, Parsa. Kanina ka pang makulit, ah. Sampay kita sa baraso kung malaki mamaya.
knows where it doesn't belong.
Makulit din tong tumatabi ka naman sa akin, eh.
Tides rise.
Ally has been slain.
This is the way.
Ally has been slain.
Yun na. Huli.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Attack the Lord.
It is who we are.
Launch attack.
Parsa, oh. Marunong talagang manayming si Parsa, oh.
Don't stick your nose where it doesn't belong.
Enemy has slain Lord.
Ubus yan, ubus yan.
Initiate retreat.
Go. Patay, huli. Ubus. Natunaw bigla yung load.
Enemy opens backup.
Lipad, nakalipad, nakalipad.
Change my northern veil.
Superb AoE. Killing spree.
Ikaw ba? Kanina ka pa ba? Ano, ha? Oh, ano, tayuan kita, ano? Ha, Angela? Ha? Ano?
Initiate retreat.
What? Huwag ka marunong. Akala ni Parsa, mahuli niya ako. Sampay sa baraso kong malaki. Parsa. Parsa. Kala mo, mapapatay mo ako. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sampay yung mukha mo.
Initiate retreat.
Tutulang kitang pakpak. Di ka na makalipad.
Ally has been slain.
Kulit mo ah.
Enemy has
Ano ka? Yan. Makulit yan. Patay mo. Kulit mo ah. Ha, Parsa. Ano, Parsa? Gusto mo pa? Sarap pa sa balikat ko, Parsa.
Let's get the Lord.
Hintik ka na yan. Walang nagpupush.
Attack the Lord.
Kailangan ko pang ako na tangke, ako na support, ako na MM. Ano ba yan?
Killing spree.
Superb tanking.
Patay yan. Higupin mo. Patay.
Attack the Lord.
Load na. Tabay talaga eh.
An ally has slain Lord.
Bilis! Buplag naman tong core namin eh.
Regret fills the faces of all drowning men.
Follow Lord.
An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Oh, sayang oh yun. Fikir! Wala ka naman buhay. Hindi ka pa bumalik.
Kill. An enemy has been
Bumalik pa talaga. Bumalik pa talaga ako. End na yan. Oh, huli. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
victory.
This is Jimmy once again. Victory lang naman. MVP lang naman tayo dyan. Ganyan magtangke. Ganyan magbuhat. At charot. Sorry, guys.